So she has started, I'm writing this letter to express my concern about the way some car drivers behave toward the cyclist on our roads. I recently saw a very dangerous incident that could have ended in a serious incident. I think more people should be aware of this problem so that our roads become safer for everyone. Last Monday, at about 9 a.m., I was walking along the main road. It was a busy morning because people were traveling to work and school. As I was walking on the pavement, I noticed, so just make this I capital letter. I noticed a cyclist riding carefully on the side of the road, or you can say, um, yeah, on the side of the road. A car came from behind at a high speed. Instead of slowing down, the driver tried to overtake the cyclist without leaving enough space. The car passed so closely to the cyclist that he lost his balance and almost. So instead of using like cyclist twice, you can say this: the car passed so close to the cyclist that he almost lost the lost the balance and almost fell off the road. No, just write that almost he almost lost his balance and fell off the. So just remove the other. He almost lost the balance and almost okay. Remove one almost that he and fell off the bicycle. Uh, he quickly moved to the side and managed to avoid. No, no. Just remove the first almost. He lost the balance and almost fell off the bicycle. That's a correct sentence now. The cyclist quickly moved to the side and managed to avoid falling. Many people nearby were shocked by what they just had seen. The driver did not stop to check if the cyclist was all right. Instead, he continued to drive as if nothing had happened. I believe the driver was complete was it. I believe it completely at fault because he was driving too fast and did not show any care or respect for the cyclist. If the cyclist had fallen, he would have been badly injured, or another car or another vehicle could have hit him. In my opinion, this problem could be res- be res- could be reduced if everyone works together. The government should improve the roads by adding bicycle lane. That's a very good suggestion that they should add a bicycle lane. The police should take the strict notice against this careless driver. Drivers should also be reminded to drive carefully and slow down and leave enough space for the cyclist to pass. I hope you will publish my letter in your newspaper so that people become more aware of this issue. Drivers should understand that cyclists have the same rights to use the road as everyone else. If people become more careful and responsible, many accidents can be prevented. I also hope that this letter encourages drivers to think twice before they drive carelessly. Even a small mistake can put someone's life in danger. By respecting the traffic rule and showing patience, driver can help make the roads more safer for everyone. Thank you for taking out the time to read my letters. I hope the authorities and the public will. And then this paragraph should go above that. When you are thanking that, this is like that's your like ending. So you already thanked, and then we wrote another paragraph. So you can either write this paragraph in addition, school and local community. You can bring it at before you are like closing the letter, or you can just remove it.